Hi everyone, today I will show you how to change Roblox death sound. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. As you know, Roblox changed the death sound effect. Here's what the new sound effect sounds like. In this video I will show you how to restore old sound and set any sound as death effect. In the description of this video, I put Minecraft villager death sound effect and Lego Yoda death sound effect as an example. And of course I put the old Roblox sound effect in a file. If you want to use another sound effect, you need to change the format of the sound file you want to use to OGG. Now click on the link I left in the description of this video. A page may open here. If it is open, close it. Then we wait for 5 seconds. Click on the Get link. Now we can download our file. We put the downloaded file on the desktop. After doing this, we right-click on the file and click Extract All. Now we come to the search part and write Run. Then we write App Data in the search bar and click OK. Click on Local. Here we find Roblox and click it. Then click Versions. We enter the version file. After doing this, we click on Content. Then click on Sounds. Now you can listen to the sound effects in the downloaded file and use it if you want. We put the audio files on the desktop. Here is something we should pay attention to. The name of the sound file we will use should be ouch.ogg. If your file is not named ouch.ogg, you may have problems. We delete the sound inside the Roblox sound file before changing it. I change the name of the ouch2 file to ouch to avoid problems. After modifying, I put it inside the Roblox audio file. As you can see, we changed the sound. Now we enter the game to check if it has changed in the game. Yes, our sound effect has been successfully changed. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.